Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how to add image change functionality while clicking on the attribute variation. So go to theme settings, shop, click on shop, then open the variable product settings. Here you need to enable the option additional variation image. When you enable this option, you will be able to add additional variation image in the variation gallery. Then save the settings. Then go to product attributes. Here you can see I have 3 attributes, but I want to add this in color attribute. So in this product I want to add some attributes variation. Set the product data variable product, click on attribute settings and add the attribute color. So here you can add the value. Here I want to add 2 variation. In the variation settings, here you can see 2 variation are added. Click on the image option and add the relative image. This is the wing color image. Enter the price. For the black variation, add the black image. Then save the settings. Update the product. If I go to product page and refresh the page, here you can see 2 variation are added, and when you click on color variation, the image is changing fine. In this case, you can add this functionality by using Woodmart theme, but in default theme there is no option. Here you can change the color swatches option in the theme settings. Edit each term of attribute value. Here you can see I want to edit the black value, and here you can choose the color swatch. You can choose the swatches as per your requirements. Here you can see the settings for variable products in the Woodmart theme. Here you can see in the variable product you can use the same attribute for product grid item and check the settings. If you want this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Here you can additional variation gallery image. When you upload additional image, it will display in the product page, but in this video I have added only one image.